tanggapin mo.
Minginig to!
Isasaktan ako, baby. We love you, Miss Ha!
See-through. So what I did, I pulled out a Moulin Rouge Crazy Horse. I put foundation on my... So then, there's no color.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome to Celebrity Home. Sa bagong video ni Heart Evangelista, kapansin-pansin ang kanyang kasiyahan at energy habang bumabiyahe kasama ang kanyang glam team. Ipinapakita nito ang kanyang pagmamahal sa fashion, lalo na sa paghahanda sa bawat ganap nito para sa Paris Fashion 2024. Ang mga behind-the-scenes moments tulad ng pagkanta at tawanan ay nagdadala ng mas personal na pakiramdam na nag-aalok ng glimpse sa kanyang proseso at relasyon sa kanyang team. Talagang nakaka-inspire ang kanyang kakayahang pagsamahin ng trabaho at kasiyahan sa isang glamuradong setting.
Kayang tanggapin mo.
Minginig to!
Isasaktan ako, baby. Sa tuwing nakikita ka, nanginginig ako, baby. May kasama ka iba.
Pagod na ako, ha? So this is the look. It's super see-through. So what I did, I pulled out a Moulin Rouge Crazy Horse. I put foundation on my... So then, there's no color. And then it's impossible to wear a bra. And you want to maintain their DNA. So that's the key. Just put makeup on.
And we're good then. Shoulder. Okay. Over your shoulder. Turn.
Ayan, takbo ba dito? Welcome to 7-Eleven. Ang bigat. Fresh as always, fresh. Parang it was smooth as butter, floating like clouds. Ang daming bag charms, new bags. Ang gaganda, ang daming gold accessory. Takot ako, kala ko na wala earrings ko. Naku, lumabas yung mga aso, yung mga pusa! Hulihin at Italy!
Naggaganyan kami nun sa Milan eh.
Malay mo, malay ko! Malaysia! Ano pa mga baon kong ganyan? Si Arnold yan. Arnold, I miss you! Charot, wag.
Guwapo! Ang galang wet!
Sige sa'yo! Francois! Francois, lahat na lang na ano tinawag ko. Tong, pakitong, alima, sinisipal. Pwede ba akong gumamit?
Sa akin okay lang.
Saan mo makakahanap ng isa
Wala na!
Wala na naman eh!
Face out na yung ganun sis. Sold out ko
At
din
saka
yun.
ano siya yung limited edition na isa lang yung pinroad.
Yes. Matagal na ako sa nakapila dyan sa edition ni Cheese na yan. So sorry, sold out na po yun.
Invitation na hawak nila kanina.
That's why I was wondering how come I didn't have it. Ganyan.
Ang cute niya.
It's my favorite shape now. It's my favorite bag. This is the Lancaster bag. It's a smaller version. And this is what I will be wearing today. What is in my bag? What is in my bag? I have my mirror because I'm so vain. Edit out. What do I have in my bag? I have my mirror, of course, to check if I have lipstick in my teeth. I have my Mentos, the Fresh Maker. And then I have my concealer. And then what else? That. Yeah, it only needs time. And it's telling me in my fear.
Music video pala.
Naging karaoke na talaga. Gumagano yan?
Yan.
I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. Say that I was so wrong. Wow, may harmony. What are you thinking of? My God, you pick it up. Wala ka bang ano, ages dyan? Kangayawan na. Yes. Ang halik mo.
Sinong halik niya?
Cheers! Pagkakalis ko. Bakit iniwan mo ako? muna tayo sa show.
Welcome to Paris!
It's raining again.
Shoulder! Thank you!
It's rain.
What?
Pasok ate. Dito ka sana sa gitna, may. Basa ako. I need alcohol lang.
Nabasa pa mo?
Sobrang basang-basa.
Jake, pupuntahin ko na lang dito. Tapin sa baba.
Umuulan, paano ba ito? Mabasa ka, anak. Yung mata, ang bigat. Is it my ear? Kasi yung mata nakaganon eh. Hindi siya nakalakot.
Naka-new lounge
New
siya.
lounge? Oh my God. Hindi to Iconics, hindi to LA Lash. This is Galaxy Lash. Look at each other. It's the eye. I'm so excited to go this. It's my favorite. I love Schiaparelli. It's like buying art for me. So I think of like the pieces that I know that the prices will go higher, something that's not common. And because I feel like after many years, everybody that kind of collected Schiaparelli will be like making history in a sense.
Hold the back so I can see it. Beautiful. Over shoulder. Okay.
Yes.
We love you, Miss Ha!
It was so good. Kendall Jenner, Adriana Lima, Irina Shayk, Victoria, and the clothes. All cinched waist, jumpsuits. I think it was a one piece though, I feel. Everything new. Resin, maroon resin, ganyan. It was so nice. Super sleek. Everybody was like in a tight, sleek bun. Ganda. Cannot explain. What a moment. Good night, people of the world.